Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Holly and I am here to have another story time with you. But first, before we get started, can you spot where I'm at in our school? Look around at the clues around me and see if you can figure out where is Miss Holly in our school. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to be reading Rabbits and Raindrops by Jim Arnowski. Mother Rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of a green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother Rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. What other animals can you spot on the page? I see Mother Rabbit. I see her 5 bunnies. Oh my goodness, the birds gave me a clue. I see birds. Do we see anything else? That's right, a butterfly. Good eyes. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Can anybody spot the lizard? Do you think he's up in the trees? That would be silly. There he is. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. Look at this little bunny's watching this spider spin its web. All of a sudden, the sky turns dark. The big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. Look at him looking up at the sky. What is that? A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch a cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. Have you ever been out in the rain and you didn't have your umbrella or you didn't have your raincoat? I bet Mommy or Daddy hurried you out of the rain, didn't they? From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we call baby rabbits? That's right, bunnies. Let's see, I spot a couple of insects. Do you guys spot the insects? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 ants marching by. And I see 1 lucky ladybug right there at the bottom. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. It makes it a little bit hard, actually really hard, for the butterflies to fly if their wings are wet. So the butterfly is trying to get dry too under the hedge with the bunnies. Soon others come inside out of the rain. Oh my goodness. Look at all the guests that are joining them. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Suddenly the shower ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. What is that? Is that a big stone? Stones don't have heads. That's a turtle. All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. They sure do look happy now. Does anybody spot a rainbow? I spot it. We finished the story, the story, the story. We finished the story. Hooray, hooray, hooray! All right, boys and girls, I will see you next time.